There is a question from the YouTube. Muhammad Junaid. Salam Dr. Zakir Naik. What is your opinion on Dr. ISRAR Ahmad's ijtihad on the efforts of Iqamat-e-Din? In fact, I will not be able to answer this question, not because I don't want to comment. I have just been requested by the son of Dr. ISRAR Ahmad, whose name is Asif Hamid, that I should give a recording of about 10 to 15 minutes. On the 27th of August, they are going to have the 50 years of Dr. ISRAR Ahmad's revival of the returning to the Quran. You know, they're going to have a function on the 27th of August in Lahore in Pakistan, where many of the renowned duats and scholars and Islamic personalities will be coming, and they requested a video from me, and it's on the same topic. So inshallah I'll be recording and sending a video. So if you want to watch, you can surely I think they may be relaying it online also, and it's available also to visit physically. It's in Lahore, Pakistan. So surely you can wait, or maybe after I give in the video I will release it so you can hear it after that. But as you know that, alhamdulillah, I was inspired, besides Sheikh Ahmad Didat, the second person who was my inspiration was Dr. ISRAR Ahmad. And inshallah I'll give the message on the recording, which will be telecast inshallah on the 27th of August in Lahore in Pakistan. The next question. I am working in a non-Muslim restaurant, but the food is halal. Sometimes they do puja at their homes and bring water and sprinkle at us. They said, do bad eyes. Is this permissible for a Muslim to allow them to sprinkle that water at us? Please revert. So the question posed by a Muslim that is working in a non-Muslim restaurant, and the food in that restaurant is halal, but the owners, many a time they do puja at their home, and they come and they sprinkle water on the staff, including him, so that he wants to ward off the evil eye or the bad eyes. So is it permissible for a Muslim to allow someone to sprinkle water which is of puja? And the answer is no. It is not allowed for you to allow a non-Muslim to get some water of puja, which is a Hindu ritual that they do. It's a form of worship that they do, and that water they sprinkle so that it wards away the evil eye or the bad eyes. This is not permitted in Islam, it's haram. You have to tell your boss very well that I'm a Muslim, I don't believe in you getting puja water and sprinkling on me. This is superstition, it's not allowed in my religion. And you should not allow him to sprinkle water on you. If he yet forces and insists, you have to give him warning that if you do this, I'll leave the job. And if he does that, you leave the job. If he's forcing on you something which is haram, if you request him and he stops it, no problem. You have to be bold, but be courteous. Be very soft. Tell them nicely that I'm a Muslim, and in my religion, it's not permitted that you get some puja water or water you have put on some other deity and you sprinkle it on me thinking that I'll be safe from the evil eye or the harm that is done. This is against my faith. I will not allow it. And if he insists being a boss and he forces on you, then you have to leave the job and search for another job. Hope that answers the question.